Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 3rd, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. The 4-star Sudoku and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles. Only these three regular puzzles. News of the day, well, there's a new NATO boss. Yeah, new Secretary General, and it's our former Dutch Prime Minister Mark Rutte. Yes. Anyway, this one will be number 9375. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. Well, to the 4 stars puzzle, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 1 3. We have here 4 4s. Well. We have here 3 5s. 4 5s. Well. 2 6s. 1 7. 2 8s and 3 4 9s. Well. So the 4s, the 5s, and the 9s are in majority. Can I start with a 4? Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between. Only place level 4. Should be there. 4 4. 4 4. Well, it seems like I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 5s? 5 5. 5 5. 5 5. No, I cannot continue with 5. How about the 9s? Yeah. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places level 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. The only place level 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box level 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places level 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places level 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there, we have a 9 in that column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the line should be here. Do we have all the 9s? And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1, number 9. What about the 4? Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5. And I need a 5 here, and I need a 5 there. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 it should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4, 4. Well, then, let me see. How about... I need a 2 there. How about 7? The 1 in this last column, the 1 in the column next, so that column, the only place left the 1 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below, so last row, the only place left the 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. No. Let me think. How about 8, 8? Need 8 here. Need 8 here. Yeah. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Need to know where the 5 is. Do you need a 2 here? Only 1, 3. 3, 3, 3. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 should be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in one of these 3 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only place level 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6, 6. 7 and 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. And look, we have 6 and 8 in this column. No 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I need a 3 here. I need a 2 here. 2, 3. And I need a 5. 5 could be here, could be there. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 in the second column, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places left for the 4. 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 in the second column, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes with a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so this can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Do we have all the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. How about the 5s? 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 in the second row, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5, it should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 5. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only place left. The 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. Need a 6 there. Cannot continue with the 6. How about the number? Let me see. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. And I need a 7 here. That means we need a 7 here. Well. Let me think. Two numbers left in this column for numbers 1. 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. 2, 3, and 8. 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8. We have a pair, the 2 and 8 in this column. The 2 and 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left with 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. We need a 1. 1, 1. 2, need a 3, need a 4, 5, 6, need a 7. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left. The 7 could be here, could be there. We have a 7 in the last column, 7 in the first, in this column. So the column between, only 2 places left with 7 could be here, could be there. So we need a, here we have a 7, there we have a 7. That means we have a 7 in one of these 2 boxes then. Okay, 3. How about the 6? We need a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places left. The 6 will be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in this one, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. And need to think. 2, 3, and 8 are missing here. I need an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left. 8 could be here, could be there. Come on. Need a 3, need a 2. 2. Need a 2 there. I'm stuck here. 2, 7. Need a 7 here. 2, no 3 here. 3. Come on. 2, 3, 8. Need an 8. 2. Come on. 7. Need a 2 here. We need a 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 in these 2 boxes. The 2 could be here, or there then. We need a 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in these 2 boxes. The 2 could be here, or there. 2, 3, 7. Need a 1 here. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. The 1 could be here, or there. Ja. Ik kom eraan. 1, 7, 2, 3. Need a 6. 8, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, 7, 1, and 3. 8, 7, 1, and 3. 8, 7, 1, and 3. 8, 1, 1, 7, 8, and 3. Come on. 3. 7, 3, and a 1. 7, 3, and a 1. We have a 7 here. So 3 and a 1 here. 7, 7, 3 and a 1. 7, 3 and a 1. 7, 3 and a 1 here. 3, 1, 7, 1. 3 and a 1. Come on. 3 and a 1. Oh! 7, 3 and a 1. 7. Here can it be a 7? 3 and a 1. We have a 1 here. So this should be a 3 then. This should be 1 and a 7. This cannot be a 1. This should be a 3 then. So here we have a 7 and a 1 then. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be and a 7 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row above. In the middle row. So that row, the only place left of the 7 should be here. Mark those two boxes. Elevator 7. We have a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. So we need a 2 here. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those two boxes in the third row. So in the row between, the only place left of 2 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. So 8 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 2 and the 3. Here also 2 numbers left, 8 and the 7. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Mark those two boxes. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left of the 1 should be there. So here, 2 and the 3 are left. And 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, and 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 and 8, we have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 2 and 8, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left of the 1 should be there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 2 and the 3, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 17 minutes. Well, we solve it again, 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no. Let me give this as 2 stars, and I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.